Is your modern space feeling a bit too cold or stark? Discover how to blend sleek metal and warm wood with lush indoor gardens to create a stylish and inviting home. In this video, we'll show you how to harmonize these elements for a perfect balance of sophistication and comfort, plus an innovative approach that will transform your space. Welcome to Visionary Designs. If you're ready to elevate your modern home with a touch of nature and warmth, hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Join us for expert tips and fresh ideas to transform your space into a stylish retreat. Stick around until the end to discover our innovative approach to seamlessly blending modern design with natural elements. This game-changing concept will take your urban retreat to the next level. Now, let's explore how you can achieve the perfect fusion of modern concrete with lush greenery in your own home. To create a sophisticated urban retreat, it's essential to blend the raw appeal of concrete with the calming influence of greenery. Modern concrete offers a sleek, minimalist aesthetic that can be harmoniously combined with vibrant plants to elevate your home's design. Begin by incorporating concrete elements in key areas of your home, such as flooring, walls, or decorative features. Concrete's durability and clean lines provide a perfect backdrop for lush indoor plants and chic outdoor furnishings. Concrete can be used in a variety of ways to create a striking contrast with greenery. For instance, consider installing concrete planters in different shapes and sizes to house your indoor plants. These planters can be arranged in clusters to create a focal point in your living room or entryway. Alternatively, use concrete for custom-built seating areas, where you can integrate built-in planters to combine comfort with greenery. This approach not only enhances your indoor environment, but also adds a touch of modern sophistication. For your outdoor spaces, think about integrating concrete features like stylish fire pits, modern garden walls, or chic patio flooring that complements the surrounding lush vegetation. Concrete fire pits provide a sleek and functional centerpiece for outdoor gatherings, while concrete garden walls can be adorned with climbing plants or vertical gardens. This combination of concrete and greenery creates a seamless transition between your indoor and outdoor spaces, enhancing the overall aesthetic and functionality of your home. Building on the seamless integration of concrete and greenery, let's explore how this fusion can transform both your indoor and outdoor environments into harmonious living spaces. Transforming your living environment involves more than just aesthetics. It's about creating seamless transitions between spaces. Start by evaluating how you use both indoor and outdoor areas and identify opportunities for integration. For indoor spaces, consider incorporating floor-to-ceiling windows or sliding glass doors that open up to your outdoor retreat. This design choice not only brings in natural light, but also creates a visual and physical connection between your indoor and outdoor areas. Inside, you might use concrete flooring to extend the modern, minimalist look from your living room to your sunroom or indoor garden. Adding elements like a concrete bench or a sleek concrete table can enhance the flow and continuity between spaces. Similarly, for outdoor living areas, create inviting spaces with modern concrete elements that complement the natural surroundings. A sleek concrete dining table or a contemporary outdoor kitchen can be perfect additions to your patio. Integrate comfortable seating and stylish outdoor rugs to complete the look. This approach ensures that each area feels both inviting and functional, reflecting a modern aesthetic while embracing nature. By designing with both indoor and outdoor spaces in mind, you create a cohesive living environment that enhances your lifestyle. Building on the concept of transforming spaces, the next step is to envision your ultimate urban sanctuary that marries modern design with natural serenity. Begin by envisioning how each space, whether a sunroom, patio, or entryway, can embody this fusion. Use concrete as a base material for its sleek, contemporary appeal, and layer in greenery to add vibrancy and tranquility. For your sunroom or indoor garden, think about incorporating features like concrete planters with integrated irrigation systems, or a concrete water feature that adds both style and a soothing element to the space. In your outdoor areas, consider designing a cozy lounge surrounded by lush plants, or creating a shaded pergola with concrete columns that provide a stylish and functional retreat. This combination not only enhances the functionality of your spaces, but also creates an urban oasis where modern elegance and natural beauty coexist harmoniously. By thoughtfully designing each area with a blend of concrete and greenery, you can achieve a retreat that reflects both your style and your appreciation for the natural world. This approach allows you to create a sanctuary that feels both sophisticated and serene, perfect for relaxing and entertaining. To truly elevate your urban retreat, let's dive into our game-changing concept, the dynamic urban oasis. Imagine a home where modern concrete and nature don't just coexist, but interact dynamically. Picture intelligent design elements like retractable glass walls that seamlessly blend indoor and outdoor spaces, or smart garden systems that adapt to your living environment's needs. With this concept, your living space transforms with the touch of a button. Concrete surfaces adjust to provide the perfect ambiance, while integrated greenery evolves with changing seasons and moods. Imagine a system where your concrete surfaces can change color or texture based on your preferences, or where indoor plants automatically adjust their placement to maximize light and growth. This cutting-edge approach not only elevates your home's functionality, but also redefines the very essence of urban living. It combines the sleek lines of modern design with the adaptive capabilities of smart technology, creating a living space that is as dynamic and unique as you are. Embrace the future of urban living with a space that evolves with you, providing a perfect blend of contemporary elegance and natural beauty. We've explored how to transform your home into a stunning urban oasis by seamlessly blending modern concrete with lush greenery. Are you ready to elevate your living space with sleek concrete features and vibrant plant life? From creating a sophisticated indoor environment to designing a cozy outdoor retreat, we've covered the essentials for integrating these elements harmoniously. And with our dynamic urban oasis concept, your home can adapt to your needs and preferences in ways you never imagined. Ready to bring your dream retreat to life? Thank you for joining us on this journey to create your perfect urban sanctuary. If you found these ideas inspiring, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more design tips and innovative solutions. We'd love to hear how you plan to blend modern design with natural beauty in your own home. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, remember, your living space should be a true reflection of your style and serenity. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.